my name is Arya. I have a beautiful gift for my brother from Rakshabandhan, and I'm so excited to open this. I tried to open it before the video, so now I will open for you guys. Whoa! Oh, I got it open. It's sticky. Mommy can't help me.
First you open this. Open this.
Oh, okay, I'll open it. Oh, see, that is that is so. I will take first this out.
You have a beautiful crown there.
Yes, I wish to take it out. I wanna. Why do they just put tapes on? That's the difficult part in the whole day to open this.